Show you how you can promote your affiliate links. You can promote your affiliate links. I know that most of people try an affiliate program and make a lot of money, because affiliate program is a program where you can promote others product and make a commission whenever you make any purchase. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can promote those affiliate links. Especially, I'm going to show you how to promote on Facebook the new way, because most of people teach how to promote a links on the same way, because they told you just go to the landing page and create a landing page where the people are going to land there. They leave their email and you calculate the email and send the email. Because this way, I can say this way is odd way, because there are a lot of obstacles which can hide you from getting a good result. Because there are some people who enter fake email, so you will send email which are not delivered to the real people. Some people don't open up an email, so you will send email which are not opened, which decrease the lead. Also, using email block more people to reach a certain product, because when someone click on your link and go to the page which asks you to enter his email, he leave your landing page, so you will block more people to the landing page. So in today, I come with a new strategies which are more recently I use more people to make money on affiliate program. In this method, I'm going to show you is just using a Facebook page. Using a Facebook page. This method is more common and more friendly to beginner to make money online, especially to promote your links, your affiliate links online. So first things, you have to go to your Facebook account, like me here. After going to your Facebook account, yes, this is my Facebook account. After going to your Facebook account, just go to the page. After going to the page like this, you're just going to the page and create a new page depending on the kind of product you want to promote. In order to have a good result, you have to select the certain niche which will base on. Don't promote a randomly product, will decrease a result. So in order to get a good result, you have to promote a certain kind of product. For example, you want to promote a beauty product, you have to come here and create a new page. The new page, you will name it a beauty product or beauty mama or beauty anything about beauty. So in order to make money by promoting your affiliate links in this method, you need to be specific, as I told before. Yes, you're creating or beauty or anything or making money online or anything which you know you need to sell. So for example, I have my page here which written a product review. Let's go to this page. So today, this page I'm creating for education purpose, and I'm already used this page for a few weeks, and I'm seeing that, and I'm already make a single sale on Amazon using these strategies. And that's why I come to teach you on how you can promote your affiliate links using this method. For example, you have a link now, any link from anywhere, maybe ClickBank, maybe on Amazon, Impact.com, JVZoo, anything you want to promote. For example, you come here. In order to make money on affiliate program, you have to provide education about your product first. Because as a professional affiliate promoter, you have to provide education before selling. Education is better than selling. If your goal is just to selling your product, you will never sell faster. You have to provide education. Through education, people will buy your product. So, for example, in my page, I just reviewing different products from Amazon. I just reviewing product from Amazon. Let's assume you promote a beauty product on your page and your page. So in order to get education, I know you're not familiar with many products. You don't know many about any beauty industry. So in order to get an education, we are going to use AI bot or chat bot which will help you to create a unique and a fantastic education about certain product. After creating a good fantastic knowledge, now we are going to place the link where people will going to buy. In this method, all people will come to the page and stay to the page, and you will go ahead to provide education on the page and the links year after year. And the more people will subscribe to you will like to your page, and the more people will increase and the more people will buy because of education and the knowledge about certain product. So for example, let's go show you. For example, you have a link like this. For example, you have a link like this, not this. For example, you have a link like this. Link like this. This is my trial link from Amazon. Yes, link from this. For example, I have a link now from anywhere. I don't know what kind of product you are going to promote. So after having link, you have to go to one chatbot so as to get a education. Chatbot code. For me, I'm using Chatty. Search for Chatty GTP. Yes, Chatty GTP. This is a chatbot which can help you. Chat is open up. Yes, now the chatbot is open up. After open up the chatbot, go down. For example, your product is easy skin. You will tell the chatbot light. For example, light import kwamba how skin care improve. Oh, light review on skin care product for women. Yes, like this, and you will allow the bot to start lighting anything for you. Yes, like this. Chatbot. Yeah, the chatbot will light anything for you. Yeah. So this is chatbot. You can ask anything. So here, all you need to do is just come here with the real name of certain product, and light is the introduction. Light introduction for the light is the review how people say about the certain product. So after the end of the information, you will place your affiliate links. Yes, for example, this is how chatbot helped me to make a one sale. Yes, like this. You just come here and copy. After copying your information, you just back to to Facebook. Yeah, Facebook. You will place here. You place here your information, for example, about your product, and you will come here to link. You will copy your link. For example, I'm using the example Amazon, and here and there, come to Amazon and paste here, and light get it here. Yes. Do you see how it look like? Like this. Like this. So if person is search or find this product, he will come here and read a lot of information about the product, and at the final he will find a link to purchase the product. In this way, you'll make a lot of sale by using these strategies, because you promote a link by using a modern way. After a time, more people will join your page and they will start to sell more, as long as you keep going and keep consistency on posting your product. For example, I'm going to post here. Yes, I'm going to post this to see how it will be look like. Yes, this is my page. I'm starting a few weeks, but I've already made a one sale. Yes, it will be like this. Do you see how it look like? Yes, product here like this. So more people will come here and click and make a purchase. When people make a purchase, this you will earn a commission. Oh, this is how I review different product. Now, for example, this is a Selam review, and this. Yes, I'm already started 1 week, but I wonder how this method is good, and I'm already made a sale. If you want to start to promote your affiliate product today, just using these strategies, just go to the page and create a Facebook page and start to review a product, certain product, or you can start to provide how certain product help different people to do something. By doing so, most of people will join your page and will start to buy forever instead of creating a landing page which block more people to your product. Thank you for watching and welcome again.